what if I shoot something with no story? Something just simple, something beautiful. Hi, my name is Benjamin Ortega and this is my new DJI Mavic 3 and Action 2 video. Wow, look at this view! See you soon, Tampa! Dua ticket with Dua motorcycles. Okay.
Di sana ya.
Makasih. Looks like we made it to the ferry. See you soon, Topaday. Now let's go. Oh, look at that ferry. Nice. Thanks guys for having me. So, long story short, I mean, I guess you might know it already from the title and the thumbnail of this video. What is this whole thing about? What am I doing now? I am on my way now from Lombok to Bali with my motorcycle, my surfboard, and some new camera gears. DJI reached out to me a couple days ago and asked if I wanted to try their brand new Mavic 3, which is released right now, and also their new Action 2, which I'm filming everything on right now. The idea with this trip was just to see if I could make some kind of a vlog only with these items and see how well it performs and how happy I am about it. So really looking forward to fly that one around Bali and some of the most scenic locations I've always wanted to see. So yeah. And right now I'm not by myself, I am with a friend, Hide. And this is Hide. He's gonna join me just on that stretch and maybe for the next day I think, and then he's gonna go work. But yeah, let's stop talking and now let's head over to Bali.
And now let's go to Bali.
Welcome to Bali.
Super nice. Just a little bit of rain. Holy shit.
Forgot that it was rainy season, and when it's rainy season and you don't have a coat, everything is soaking. This is not fun, not fun. Okay, see you. Bye. Nice. Now let's go. Secured. Are you ready?
Yes, let's.
1 hour. Now 1 hour drive. Hopefully it's not gonna rain like yesterday. 1 hour ride to go from Keramas all the way down to Uluwatu, where we're gonna spend one night and film some of the stuff that I've been wanting to film for such a long time that you will see. But yeah, I cannot wait to go down there. I haven't been in Uluwatu for years and I love this place. And there's so much good stuff to film over there. Terima kasih.
Much better.
The weather here just changed so fast, from rain to dry to rain to dry, to humid. But now pit stop, enjoying a nice mee goreng with some fried tempeh and tofu. But I guess that most of you guys who watch this video might not be interested about either me riding a bike or eating a mee goreng. Let's talk about this Mavic 3. I think it's the actual drone I've been wanting for such a long time. Like having a double camera setup in it, having a wide, a zoom, having all the sensor everywhere so it covers the entire area, having 45 minutes of battery time. Like these are the things like I don't even DJI, I think they're good at like stepping up things and taking the gears to the next level, but this is quite impressive. Out of most of the flight that I've done so far, I haven't even changed the battery. I have 3 batteries with me on this trip, but I barely need more than 45 minutes for a single location, even multiple locations. So yeah, quite impressive. Yeah, in terms of resolution, 5K 60, sick. 4K 120, even sicker, and then a ×7 zoom, which just looks insane. What could it be then? If it's 24mm ×7, 168. Imagine 168 millimeters, if I'm correct, on a gimbal on a drone. First I was like, maybe it sounds a bit too much, and then I realized actually no, that looks so freaking cool. It's a proper helicopter now. So far, really impressed about this one. So yeah, now let's enjoy the food and go back on the road. Yeah, that's the spot. Nice. Look at that. Look at that sunset. Holy sh! John, good to see you. Boom, thanks for the spot. Like, I would dream of having a zip line to head down here with the surfboard and just look at that mini beach down here, just waiting for us to come down surfing. Okay, now let's fly before it's too dark. I'm right now staying in that place. I think it's called Miu, in Uluwatu, in the south of Bali. Sleeping with the sound of the wave like this is just unreal. And I mean, look at that spot. This was the bedroom. This is like an outdoor living room where you can have some tanning beds. And then you have the best part of the whole place, the bathroom. Look at that spot. The shower in the wall, in the stone wall, and the toilet. Then you can see the surf from the bathroom and from the toilet. But so far, I have to be honest, the Action 2 that I'm shooting, everything, every talking part, every vlogging part on, is also mind-blowing. The sound quality is insane. Like I mean, you hear it by yourself. And the fact that it's so wide as well. Like this new lens with having 155 degrees. Like I like wide angle, but I really enjoy when it's even wider. And how is that even possible? Look at this. How sick. Like now, at the end of my arm, how far do I look? That's insane. And that's like having the camera this close from my face. I freaking love wide camera like this. You can do so many crazy angles, so many weird shots. Love it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Niang Beach. There is an actual pretty nice wave. John has a friend surfing there, so we're gonna see if we can get some underwater shots and some drone shots, because apparently he's a pretty good surfer. That looks very nice. Here's my drone spot, perfect, in the shade. Look at this, how sick is that? I'm here, perfect, this is my new office. I give you the leash and you go. Oh, I am sweating. Bye room. Now let's head to the north. There's a couple of places that I want to check out in the north. But first, some Balinese coffee. And a nice fruit salad. Secured sunglasses. Now let's go to Mount Batur. 2 hours and 30-minute ride. Can I pay cash? Like this? Boom! Terima kasih! Okay, now let's go! Nice! Full, huh?
Yeah, full.
Okay. Wow! That's a lot of water. Okay, so it started to rain on the ride, so I decided to stop and do a little bit of a ceremony. I've been to this temple once, and you basically pray and wash yourself with all of those fountains, and it's a way to clean yourself and reset a bit. So yeah, I'm gonna do this now. Okay. Okay, this wasn't not enough. Definitely not enough. Now I'm fully equipped. Now we can go. Wow, look! Volcano! Wow! Look at this view! Insane! This is insane! Oh! Welcome to the north of Bali! Wow! This is insane. Oh, I had to stop before getting to my final destination. This was unbelievable. From like intense rain to darkness, I couldn't see anything, and all of a sudden take a last turn and then poof, you get to this incredible rice fields. I think it's part of the UNESCO heritage, and the place I'm heading to is at the very top of that, and it is called Batu Karo. Yes, I didn't go to Mount Batur, which is completely on the east side of Bali. Everyone told me it was pouring rain over there, so it was not worth going. I mean, I couldn't fly the drone, so instead I'm heading straight into my next destination, Batu Karo. And Batu Karo is actually owned by Jonas' wife. Jonas is the one who co-founded Tampa Hills with Jacob. They have an organic coffee plantation up there, and I've been wanting to come to this place. It's such a peaceful environment. I've had so many friends going there, told me about how cool it was, and finally I managed to get myself over there. But this landscape is just unbelievable. Welcome to Batu Karo Coffee Estate and Retreat. Look at that place. Oh, and this is my room. Wow, it is so peaceful. I cannot have any weight on my shoulder anymore. Oof. Oof. And this is the bathroom with the view. Wow. This is insane. Okay.
You had a long day, yeah?
Oh, what an adventure, yeah. Oh, and it
Pouring
was
down, yeah?
so much rain. Holy. This is incredible. I knew that sunrise up here would be amazing, but this is on another level. And the sound, wow, the view of the volcano over there is so cool. Wait, I need to fly, I need to fly. So we just finished breakfast and Jonas just left. See you!
See you, man. Have a good time, yeah?
Thank you so much. And clouds are rolling a bit fast here. That's what Jonas explained to me. Apparently here at 900 meters high roughly, climate is so different compared to the south. Like here it's actually kind of always every single day the same, where sunrise is usually very clear and then at roughly 9 a.m. the cloud starts to come in because the heat from the sun rises all the water from the ground, and now clouds are moving in, and roughly 12 it's gonna start raining. So before it starts raining, and since there is a bit of clouds, I think it's time to head over to their yoga deck and fly some more drones from there. I have two ideas in mind. One is to do some hyperlapses to see how fast the clouds are moving. And second one, it is to fly a bit more of that Action 2 on the FPV. I think this is one of the sickest combo. Look at this yoga deck. Sick. And the view. Wow. Simply amazing. I need to hurry up and also go down to the rice paddies so I can film some more stuff from down there. But so far I think this is the prime location of this trip. It's so peaceful, relaxing, landscape is so good, temperature is perfect. If you're ever in Bali, I think you should take a trip to the north and visit Batu Karo. Where is it? Ah, still going. Satu, dua, tiga. Subscribe! Subscribe! Yes!